Hi guys, this is Ankita. Welcome back to Trends and Style. In my today's video, I would be reviewing the Ordinary 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peeling solution. I have cleaned my face, I have washed my face and it is dry, you can see. This brand was not available in India or was available with a huge shipping cost from UK or Canada or New York. But these days, these products are also available in Amazon, in Flipkart, in Nykaa, so you can search it out. And so I get my hands on these products. You don't have to massage it on your skin. Just apply it lightly. Ordinary use so much targeted ingredients for targeted skin issues. They have the main ingredient only, very basic but very effective. There may be a little irritation on your skin, but that is absolutely okay. But of course, if you want, you can do a patch test behind your ears before you start. But I have used this for many times, so I'm not doing that. So this Ordinary AHA BHA solution is mainly used for chemical exfoliation. Now this face scrubs, these are very harsh to our skin, because when we rub our skin with some coarse, harsh granules, that results in tearing of the skin, and those cuts are very minute, so we cannot see on the bare face, but actually they causes the bacteria, virus, fungus to come back and sit inside the skin pores and create even more problems. And that is a main issue why people having acne prone skin or sensitive skin, or who often face skin eruptions or redness, their problems are aggravated if they use skin scrubs. So skin scrubs are not for them, but for chemical exfoliation, all people can use it. With any kind of skin issues, no problem in using it, because these are acids, which are of course very mild acids, not acids like hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid or nitric acid. Those are very corrosive acids, but these are fruit-based acids which are sourced from various fruits. And this AHA is alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is beta hydroxy acid. So AHA has the ability to pull out the excess sebum and the dead cells from the pore of the skin where physical scrubs cannot reach. But these acids can easily reach into those pores, and they can just simply remove all the extra dirt, pollution, any chemical residue of your makeup, any extra sebum that you have that causes your skin becoming more oily. So anything. Like, it is actually maintaining the pH of your skin. Now the application part. First you have to wash your face with face wash, any normal face wash that you use, and then you have to dry your skin really well. Like, there should not be any water on your skin while you use any acids from any of the brands, okay? And the main thing, after every exfoliation, you will see the glow and radiance of the actual skin. So yes, I'm done in application. Now I will give a timer of 10 minutes in my phone and will wash the face. Just dab a wet tissue or a wet cloth like this. Wet it in warm water, or even it is normal water, it is okay. But you dip the tissue or the cloth inside water, dry it up, squeeze it, and then rub it like this. Don't splash water while you have acid on your face. So this is my face after I washed it. You can see the glow it is coming. I have simply not applied anything on my face. It is just bare face, but still it is glowing, which was missing previously before applying this exfoliation peeling solution. So yeah, this is all about my today's video. I think this will be helpful. Do try this Ordinary AHA BHA solution and let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.